Hey guys, figured come on here and make a video. A while back, y'all know I talked about buying two U-joints and working on a drive shaft. Well, working on it right now. Figured come on here and show you what I'm actually doing. And I talked about kind of like a DIY, one of those do-it-yourself videos. Well, see, what I'm doing is, see this U-joint here? That's shot. And well, what I'm doing is using that and a sledgehammer. So right now I got a couple wax in, it's almost out. And basically I'm eating or whatever the hell you young kids say nowadays. What's that frickin' sludge hammer? So, with that being said, before I go any further with this old U-joint, I'm working on a back to a rear end here. Always make sure you got new clips with a U-joint. And the other thing is, make sure these little bastards have an insertable greaser in it, because if you want these things to last a lifetime, you gotta keep them greased. So, gonna put this down for right now. See if I can break this thing loose. Don't mind me, folks, trying to screw this Tide Pod in. It's almost out anyway, folks. Stay. Is that out? A couple more waxes should be out, folks. There we go. She's out. Son of a shit. There we go. Our bearings in here. Oh yeah, they're a little shot too. You mule. Did your mom ever tell you to freaking quit being so damn stubborn? There. That's out. Thank God. This is one thing I've always hated doing on vehicles, is U-joints and header work. Come on. Well, I'll come back to that in a little bit, but at least y'all seen me witness that I got this old stubborn thing out. And once you do these ends here, gotta make sure you screws where these clips are real nice and clean inside. Can't have any dirt or anything in there. So, cause you want have it go in the way it's supposed to go in. So try to about 10-15 minutes to with a regular old hammer. So I brought a big old BFH. You already know what that is. So anyways, figure come on here, show you that any U joints and these little caps are there's these little look like pins, a little thicker bearings, and well, I don't know if I can get one out of this sucker. No, they're loose, but right in here are those little bearings. So at least I got one end out. I just gotta pop that cap off and get that old one out and do the other two sides and put the new U-joint in. And I gotta do the other end too, because I'm not putting a brand new U-joint on the rear end here and leave the old one up in front so it can snap. Kind of like what happened about 7-8 months ago, where a back snapped him, not the front. So yeah. But with that being said, let's finish this job and be done with it, folks. Once, that's okay. So, once both ends are done, it's going in and grab a new truck battery for it. Really? If you say so, bud. So, anyways, y'all have a good day, alright? Stay safe and stay warm.